Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make onion rice and garlic pepper chutney. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a thick bottomed pan over low flame. Now add 3 red chillies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 20 slit small onions and a little salt. When the onions turn light brown, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Sauté this for a few seconds and add 2 cups of cooked rice and a little salt. Sauté this for 2 minutes. Now it's ready, turn off the flame. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 red chillies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Sauté this for a few seconds and add 15 slit garlic cloves, 6 slit small onions and a small piece of tamarind. When the garlic turns light brown, turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Transfer this into a blender. Now add a little crystal salt and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Grind this in the blender. Serve the onion rice with garlic pepper chutney. Please try it out and post your feedback.